when I set up, I'm going to have it right in the middle of my stance, correct? Because that's where we want the ball, right? Alright, so we want it right in the middle of our stance. Act like I have a club ball right there. Alright, now this is going to, you want to imagine this line right here, okay? When we're taking our club back. When we're taking it back here, we want to make sure that we're taking it straight back too. Another thing that'll help is maybe visualizing another club right about here. Okay? So I have my ball right on the inside of here, right in the middle, okay? So when I set up, I get my good stance, right? When I set up, I want to make sure I'm taking it right along this line here. Can everyone see that over here? Alright? So there we go. So there's that other line right there. Now, you don't want to go outside that line because technically what that means there is we're kind of off plane. What that means is that all of our entire golf swing is going to be all offline there. We want to have that good even swing, correct? So we can make that good contact and get the ball up in the air, okay? So if I'm taking it back and I'm taking it to here, all right? So the ball, there's three different ways that the ball could go.
Yeah, we have a good time with the kids. It's fun to watch them and have fun doing it at the same time.
So we got three different directions that we could see our ball point go if we're on the right, if we're on the path, or what path we're on, okay? So we're taking that back, we're swinging more out, we're going to see it, the ball slice. We're going to see it go to the right, okay? So that's what this line represents right here, okay? Coming in on it a little bit more and you're swinging out to 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. You're going to see the ball draw. That's what this line's for. That's why it's going towards the left, okay? If I'm coming in and going that way with it, you're going to see the ball go that way, and their club's going to end up closing, and it'll head that way. Now, what does this straight line mean?
It means if you swing evenly, then it'll go straight.
Yep. So if I'm taking it back, and I make good contact, and where you want to swing, you want to make sure you're swinging out, okay? Because you want to make sure you're swinging out with it when you're coming down on the ball. Because if you, how many of you play baseball? Play baseball? So how do we want to swing to get the ball out, right? We want to hit it as hard as we can, right? To, you know, either get it out in the outfield or get a home run, right? So if I have this, kind of picture it like this. This helps me because I used to play baseball as well too. If I'm up to bat and I'm like this, you know, if I go like that, I'm not getting that extension, okay? So if you're doing that same thing here, if you're coming in like this, you're not going to be making the good enough swing to get the ball to where you want it to go, correct? So what do you want to do in baseball? How do you want to have that